Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 30. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, select voice match and enable Hey Google. Tap next, agree and continue. Go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There'll be showers with a high of 69 and a low of 49.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.